Good day. I am Engineer Melissa May M. Buado of St. Louis University, Baguio City, here to talk about Zeoskin, a green indoor air filter. This project was conceived from the problem on indoor air quality, which I think often goes unrecognized. My experience and observation, especially in basement parking lots, is that most people seem to not mind the stench in there. Bad indoor air quality results from various substances such as volatile organic compounds released by our furniture and common household cleaning substances, from recirculated air in poorly ventilated spaces, or odors from our pets. Yet we have accepted them as normal. What we usually brush off as irritants or unpleasant odors are actually toxic substances that we breathe and may affect our health. The Zeoskin Project intended to build upon the idea of a composite that has selective catalytic reduction capabilities, or SCR, initially proposed to target vehicular emissions. What began as a tailpipe filter for cars has evolved into its current application as a wall plaster. Hence, the term filter is actually a misnomer. We aim to optimize this composite for its SCR capabilities as well as characterize its plaster properties to ensure that it can be applied to indoor surfaces. We developed a ready-mixed powder that, when combined with water, can be made into a paste and applied to indoor walls. While many of us agree about the health hazards and risks of poor indoor air quality, it has gone unnoticed for so long. But when COVID-19 pandemic struck, suddenly we were all mindful of the air we breathe. Its adaptation, therefore, can contribute to a better and sustainable living and working spaces. Not to mention, improve productivity and overall wellness. As a result, we wouldn't be expected to tolerate stale office air or musty condo units. It is envisioned that Zeoskin will impact the construction industry to consider wall plastering not just for aesthetics, but as a functional passive air purifier. We see it as a complement to existing ventilation systems, which can reduce the risk caused by polluted air that most of us are exposed to. The project journey has not been easy. The thought of submitting a proposal was initiated in 2017 by people who believed in the potential of the idea. The grant was finally approved late in 2019 and originally set for implementation in April of 2020, which is supposed to run for 1 year. Even as the pandemic happened, we pursued to begin in July 2020 when the crisis was in its height. We encountered logistics challenges from restrictions. There were acquisition delays, limited access to potential test sites, and even work schedule limitations. But we were motivated by the vision of this project and by the people, including dostph, who support and encourage research endeavors such as this, and that is why we persisted. While we met most of our objectives and our results were satisfactory, there is still a long way to go for Zeoskin. For one, we still need to improve the technology itself, our data collection methodologies, and our analysis. We are grateful for the chance to put our ideas to the test and for the boost this grant has provided. We will continue to develop it until it can reach our target beneficiaries. May I encourage you, therefore, to be aware of how indoor air quality affects our health and well-being. So, the next time you notice persistent odors, imagine the difference it would make if our walls can help clean the air we breathe. Thank you very much.